Hello! New day, new bahay. Today, I'm going to show you a 24 million house located here in Metrogate, Angeles City. Tara! So once you enter, here is your pedestrian gate with ang ganda ng kanilang packet garden and elevated yung stairs to get to the front door. And here, punta muna tayo dito. Here, we have two parking for big 2 SUV. Nabubulol. Tapos, the gate is automated na po. Okay, akit na tayo sa taas. So, elevated po siya. And here. So, this house is still ongoing progress po. Fully furnished for 24 million. So, nilalagay pa yung mga ibang furnitures. This is your living area. As you see, high ceiling. And this is your dining area. Meron siyang chandelier with all this kitchen equipment. And here is your breakfast nook. Ang ganda lang yung breakfast nook. Tapos here, meron siyang swimming pool. Tayo sa swimming pool area. So here is your swimming pool area. Meron kang lanay here. Pwede kang maglagay ng outside furnitures. And you have your shower right here. Ang ganda ng finish. Stone finish. Okay. Dito tayo. Then right here, meron tayong toilet and bath. And meron tayong guest room dito sa baba. Equipped with cabinets and AC. Tapos dito, meron tayong maid's room. May maid's room na rin sa baba. And right here is your dirty kitchen. Meron na siyang lutuan here. Ayan. Tapos, you have your tank and filterize na yung mga water nyo. Okay, akit na tayo sa taas. So guys, this house is like a split level. Kaakit nyo, meron kayong family area here. Ang ganda ng family area. This TV is included. May inverter na AC. Ang ganda ng chandelier. Very aesthetic. And meron siyang balcony right here. Morning sun po pala ang bahay na to. And here we have 3 bedroom. So here is our first bedroom. With cabinet na guys. AC. And my toilet and bath. Yung toilet and bath niya is connected to the other room. Okay. So here is the other room. Bedroom 2. Ang ganda niya. Ano kaya? No. May balcony siya dito, yung bedroom number 2. May balcony. Tapos yung CR niya connected to bedroom number 1 as I told you earlier. Ayan. So connected siya sa other room. Punta na tayo sa bedroom number 3. Here is your bedroom number 3. Meron na siyang cabinet. So, siya lang mga cabinet. With toilet and bath. Okay, punta na tayo sa master bedroom. So, here is your master bedroom. Maluwang, spacious, May TV, may AC, may CCTV. And here is your walk-in closet. Ang ganda, may vanity. Tapos yung toilet mo is parang Japan toilet. Okay. So guys, if you want to see this house, please call the number above and follow me on my YouTube channel. See you on the next house tour. Bye!